we're back, and there's someone playing Sonic Dash. They say it was hard lag, but not for me, baby. Alright, and I'm out. Like this. Alright, now I need to destroy combos and destroy choppers. Okay, first. Oh, missed it, man. How could I miss that easy target? No biggies. Here's two more. Alright. Good progress. That's 3 so far. I need to destroy you. You don't even one of them. And okay, so what do we need to do here? Okay, follow, then down. Alright. Yeah, I think we might see choppers. Cause this just missed that. Okay, not bad, not bad. No, dash meter dash. Okay, not bad. You guys thought I would lose by then. Nah, man, I'm the champion. I think I'm going to go to Eggman. Yeah, Eggman looks like it. Oh, I'm gonna choose Sonic, cause mostly it's Sonic that take Eggman's to his death of the rivals. But who cares? I guess all Sonic characters are nice, not just Sonic itself. What was the one they meant about Eggman, boss battle Eggman? Oh, I think I know somebody to call him Eggman because of his bald head. Think he can't win me that easily? Bro, stop this. I lost a coin. I guess coins. Man, this torture. Like real torture. Eggman, you can get me. You defeat me how?
What? I'm not giving up yet.
1. How many times? 3. 2. I think 3. That should be all, I guess.
Why, you pay for this?
Nice one. We defeated Eggman. It's his boiled egg. Or is it head? No, okay. Okay. We defeated Eggman for an eternity. Whoa. I wanted to jump over that. But who? Who could? At least I've destroyed 3 already, remains 5. And for this one, it remains 1. So I just need to destroy one more chopper. So close. I'll just use this for a sec. Okay, I'm sure it does. Get out though. Now what did they say? I need to go on that ramp how many times? Who cares? At least need to make sure we get this, then down, up, then times 4. Now use dash speed and destroy choppers. Okay, what's the one that I don't need? I meant to use that dash speed. Man, geez. Finally, that is 1 out of 6, and I lost. And I'm going. I don't take too long on this, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure you know that, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. Share with your friends, man. Peace.